Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming exactly which driver needs updating, device model, OS build, and the driver version. Once done, create a system restore point and a quick backup. This safeguards you if something goes wrong. Next, obtain the correct driver from the manufacturer or note the hardware ID, ven/dev, to match packages precisely. Make sure to avoid unsigned or third-party sources. Using the vendor file prevents compatibility issues and saves time later. You now perform the install, run the vendor installer as administrator, or open Device Manager and choose Update Driver. If you use manual files, select Browse My Computer and point to the extracted INF and driver files. This ensures Windows applies the correct package. Once installation completes, reboot, drivers often require a restart to initialize. After the restart, inspect device properties to verify the version and date, which confirms the new driver loaded. You finish by testing the device with real workloads or diagnostic tools to confirm stability and performance. If you encounter crashes, missing features, or regressions, use Device Manager to roll back to the previous driver immediately or restore the system point you created earlier. Make sure to collect Event Viewer and Setupapi logs before contacting support. Those files show the exact error. If rollback doesn't fix it, uninstall the device, remove driver remnants, and reinstall the known good driver to restore functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.